Are you watching Business Today Television? I'm Sakshi Batra. Well, there is a big breaking news that's coming in your way, and that's with respect to the financial markets. Now, if you're a trader or an investor, do listen in because this is an important information that I'm going to be passing on. The Securities and Exchange Board of India, that's the capital markets regulator, the SEBI, has now introduced a beta framework for the T+0 settlement cycle that now will be available starting March 28. Now, this will be a continuous session between 9:15 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. in the beta phase. Now, what exactly is the T+0 settlement? If that's the question that you're asking, it refers to the process of settling the trades on the same day, which means that the seller of the stocks will receive the money on the same day of sale instead of the earlier T+1. So, for instance, if on a day like today, you may be giving a purchase order or you may be selling a stock today, only tomorrow you will get the money in your bank account. But starting March 28, you can expect to trade on a day-to-day basis. Whenever you are selling a share, the same day your money will be coming back to your bank accounts. This shortened settlement cycle is expected to bring in cost and time efficiency, transparency in the charges to investors, and also strengthen the risk management at clearing corporations. Now, the SEBI board had already had a meeting on March 15. They had approved the launch of the beta version of the optional T+0 settlement for a limited set of 25 scrips with a limited set of brokers first. So, which means starting March 28, only 25 scrips will be tested and only up until 1:30 p.m. This beta version of the settlement cycle will be available on an optional basis. The market regulator has mentioned in their circular. All the investors, however, will be eligible to participate in the T+0 settlement cycle. Remember, the price in T+0 will also operate with a price band of plus minus 100 basis points from the T+1 prices. The price band will be recalibrated after every 50 basis points of movement in the underlying T+1 market. That's what exactly the circular has mentioned. And the T+0 will not be used to calculate the index prices and the settlement price computation. That's another point that the SEBI circular has mentioned. The closing price for the securities trading in T+0 settlement will be the same as T+0 settlement towards the end of the session as well. Now, this move aligns with the SEBI's commitment to foster more dynamic, more resilient financial ecosystem in the market, thereby bolstering investors' confidence and participation as well. And this also underscores SEBI's commitment to promoting investors' welfare, market integrity, and also regulatory effectiveness as well. And this forward-thinking initiative, experts believe, with this SEBI is not only reinforcing India's position as a progressive and an innovative player when we talk about the global financial landscape, but it also sets a precedent for other jurisdictions to emulate what India has been able to achieve and will achieve with the T+0 settlement as well. Now, this settlement also mitigates the risk for investors and minimizes the risk exposure to clearing corporations. Now, what should investors, as you and I, should need to know about the impact of this T+0 settlement? Now, this will significantly impact by redefining the trading strategies, risk management approaches, and the overall experience with the securities markets for people like you and I who regularly invest in the stock markets. Now, T+0 settlement will allow investors to benefit from immediate trade execution and settlement. This will provide them with the improved flexibility to capitalize on the short-term trading opportunities and market fluctuations. So, immediately when you receive the money on the same day, you will be able to utilize that money for executing another trade another day. Now, investors can react quickly to market developments, execute trades promptly, and optimize their investment strategies in real-time basis as well. Of course, T+2 settlement will eliminate the need to wait for an additional day for trading confirmation and for settlement. Now, thus reducing the settlement risk as well, and enhance the investors' confidence for smoother trading experience. So, this is a huge positive coming in from SEBI. This will also facilitate efficient liquidity management by enabling investors to access their funds and securities immediately after the trade execution. This allows them to reinvest the proceeds and to deploy capital into newer opportunities without waiting for the settlement cycles, and also maximize the portfolio liquidity and agility as well. Remember, this has been constantly happening. Earlier we were used to of T+3 cycles, then T+2 came in, T+1 came in, and finally T+0 is going to be implemented in the beta version starting March 28. Remember, SEBI has also given their thought process of real-time execution as their ultimate aim as well. So from the first day, same day execution of trades and same day settlement, they are also looking at real-time settlement as well. So the next step will be that once the T+0 is enabled in the beta version and then extended to the full market hours and to all the scripts, then we will look at the next phase, which is real-time settlement as well. But kudos to SEBI to be implementing this, one of the first nations, and setting a precedent among many by introducing T+0 settlement. I'm sure all the investors are likely to cheer this and also benefit from this largely. With that, we will continue to get you all the more developments as and when they come in with respect to stock market. Stay tuned on Business Today Television, and we continue to get you all the news developments from this space.
Darwin Platform Group of Companies is one of the fastest growing diversified Indian conglomerates with global footprints. It is setting up offices globally and tying up with companies across the globe for multiple sectors. The company has ventured into real estate and construction, stockbroking and finance, arms and ammunition, mining, airlines, and many other sectors. Darwin Platform Group of Companies is one